Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of channel update, got some stash ads, have a shop card shout out to do also, and a couple other things to show you which I think are kind of cool. Now, we're going to start with this right here. I've been struggling since the beginning with my audio quality, and I've never really been happy with it, so I picked up this little wireless microphone setup. You can find these on eBay, on Amazon, and they come from many different manufacturers. They're all basically the same thing, and so I tried these. I'm trying to figure out who made this one. Alright, as soon as I figure it out, you know, hey, let's hear some applause from me for being well prepared. Yay! I'll post the link, or I'll put something on the screen, probably somewhere around here, if I can figure out who it is that I actually bought this from. But I'm using it now, and you guys let me know what my audio sounds like, if it's better or worse. I'll let you guys decide whether this thing sucks or not. Okay, now that we got our tech session out of the way on the channel, let's move on to the stuff you guys really came here to see. Boy, my great tech session, I didn't even tell you anything about the product. This thing comes with 2 wireless mics, an adapter for Apple products, and an adapter for Android products, a USB-C and a Lightning connector, respectively. I don't use the Apple stuff because I'm not an Apple guy, and so I am currently using the microphone with the USB-C connector. It does all sorts of features as far as noise cancellation and reverberation and all sorts of stuff, which is pretty cool. I've been playing with it a little bit. So it's all-in-one. It comes with another little kit that has your charging. Hold on just a second. Let me get that and show it to you too. Here we go. It comes with this nice little carry case where you have your other accessories, such as your charging brick, your USB cable, an extra clip in case you break your shirt clip that holds these things onto your shirt. That just kind of snaps into place. So this is your microphone here. So you can carry everything all in this one handy dandy little carrying case. Take it with you wherever you want to do your videos, and you'll be all good to go as far as audio. So let me know what you guys think of how I sound, and if this is something that's going to be worth pursuing and using. This is the name of the manufacturer, MB2US. As I said, it's probably the same as all the other ones that are on the market, as there are only a few actual manufacturers of these things, and they just sell them all under different names. This one's just cool because it comes with a little carrying case. Alright, now we're done with our tech session, and we're going to move on to what you really wanted to see. Okay guys, this is our shop card shout out for this episode here. This guy has a great channel, the Scale Auto Guy's Workbench. He's got a really good channel because he does all sorts of build series, and he takes you through the entire process of the build, explaining the good and the bad points of the kit, and giving his actual opinions on whether he likes them or not, or what you can do with them or not. So I really like his channel, and I think you will too. A great channel. We do similar build series, and he has all sorts of interesting viewpoints into the kits. If you watch his latest video on the new Camaro kit from MPC, that reissue that they just put out, he'll tell you the good and the bad points of it, and he makes a really good case for the kit on both sides. So I really recommend that you watch his channel. I like it, and if you like my channel, you'll definitely like his. So check him out, the Scale Auto Guy Workbench. Now let's move on to our new stash ads. Alright guys, I went and hit Hobby Lobby today, and guess what? 40% off sale. First thing I decided to pick up was that I had to get this Megatron. I've been looking at this thing for a while, and I decided that today's the day. It's 40% off. How could you say no to that? BG built Starscream recently on his channel, and I've been looking to do one also ever since I saw that. He kind of inspired me to want to jump into one of these Flame Toys Transformers models. These are Generation 1 Transformers. or a variation of it. This looks more like the IDW. If you read the comic books, IDW did their version of the Gen 1 Transformers, and this kind of looks like their artwork. Now, the reason I wanted to do Megatron is BG did a great Starscream, and I wanted to do Starscream, but I didn't want to just repeat what BG just did. So I decided I'm going to do Megatron, because Megatron is going to be fun in the fact that he's all shiny metal. So this is going to be a fun attempt at doing all sorts of different metal variations and shades and tones, which is something that I like to do. So I think you guys are going to be interested in seeing how this comes out, as there's going to be all sorts of different metallic tones on this guy when he's done. And it should be a really fun build. So stay tuned for that one. Next one is also inspired by another YouTuber. I just recently saw Tom's Model Barnyard. He built this truck. I thought it was a really cool kit. And I like the retro styling of it. Well, retro now. It wasn't retro when it was built. And I really like this kit. I've been looking at it for a while and I never picked it up until I saw his video. And I just happened to be in Hobby Lobby and there it was. Again, 40% off. So I picked it up. It's 140, what scale is this? This is 148 scale. Comes with a truck, 2 crew members. You can build it one of 2 ways, either as a civilian version or the Army tanker version. So after watching Tom build it, I thought this looks like it'll be fun. So I'm like, all right, why not? Let's grab this and run with it. Well, actually, we paid for it first, then we ran with it. Okay, let's look at the next one. This one here is one that I've wanted for a while. The Country Charger. Now, I didn't pick it up because I've heard so many bad things about this kit that I was sort of hesitant to even look at it. But I decided, you know what? Again, 40% off. Nothing like getting it cheap to convince you to buy it. So I picked it up, and this one will become the Dukes of Hazzard General Lee, as it's got all the details, engine, underside, it's even got the correct wheels. Now, the only thing it doesn't have, because of course, we can't have the Dukes of Hazzard decals in there, which is probably why, well, I'm going to say it's exactly why it's no longer marketed as a Dukes of Hazzard car, as a Country Charger. Because, of course, in these politically correct times, you can only say what you can say and keep things marketable. So, even though it is the same kit, it will be built as the Duke Boys car, not the Country Charger, which actually doesn't look too bad either. So that was the last of the Hobby Lobby 40% off buys. Now, the next thing I want to show you guys, this is something I got because of what I saw on, I think it was Matt at Model Car Videos. Had a couple of these teeny tiny pocket pack old timers kits. And I saw that it had a Mercedes-Benz as one of these. And as you guys know, I work for Mercedes, so I've got a whole slew of Mercedes kits planned, which hopefully I'll be able to get to throughout this year. And when I saw him and these tiny little kits that he showed, I had to get one. So I jumped right on eBay, and there it was. And it was these things are really affordable. I mean, they don't cost much at all. So if you guys are interested, just jump on eBay. They're all over the place. It's got over 25 parts. It's one, what scale did I say this was? 1/43rd scale. So it'll fit in with the rest of my 1/43rd scale cars. And it looks like it's going to be fun to build. It's very simple. This is going to be one of those in-between builds cars that I throw in just as a little palette cleanser to knock out something quick and easy. And it looks like it'll be a fun little build. So I may go back and pick up a few more of these. I mean, look at the size of this box. This thing's tiny. Alright, so that's the last of our stash ads. and our shop card shout out for this episode. So we'll be back with an unboxing video. We're probably going to be doing an unboxing video of this thing because I'm pretty sure you guys will be really interested to see what exactly is in this tiny little box that's just a little bit bigger than a deck of cards. It'll be done with another old style kit that I have, which I've been interested in showing you guys. So you guys seem to like my last unboxing video, so why not? We'll do another one. Whatever you guys like, that's what I'm gonna do. So that's it, guys. This is the end of this video. Hopefully, if you lasted through it, you'll like what you saw, and you'll check out Scale Auto Guy's workbench. You're not gonna be sorry. All right, I'm gonna go, and I will see you on the next one.